beneficial would YouTube be for your coaching business? And is starting a channel actually worth it? Hello, it's Auret here from Essetinomedia, helping you create profitable content. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you some reasons why YouTube can be a powerful, powerful tool in creating leverage in your coaching business and also helping you get clients. So I'm a YouTube strategy coach as well, where we work one-on-one with clients, but we also have and do other things. We have online courses. I also do design services. So there's a lot of different things that we offer. And I actually just recently got another lead from our YouTube channel, just from creating videos like these ones where we're sharing our knowledge. And it was an email. And in this email, someone wanted to get on a quick call just to understand our YouTube services, our YouTube coaching services more, as well as a few of our other offers. And getting these leads and high quality clients from our channel happens often. And I'm sharing this with you, and this is why I'm creating this video, because I know as coaches, we're so bombarded with a lot of different things that we need to do to market our business and keep those new clients coming in, as well as still servicing our existing coaching clients. So how does YouTube come into play? Well, I'm going to share a few main reasons why your YouTube channel can be a massive source of leverage for you in your business. When you think about it, your main strength as a coach is sharing your knowledge with others. It's talking, maybe even speaking if you are also a speaker or an author. And so why not amplify that strength of yours, putting it in a video and sharing it online on the biggest video sharing platform, so that people or your visitors or your viewers get to understand what it's like working with you. And this is huge because if you're comparing all of the marketing that you're doing right now, or maybe you're not doing much, but you'd like to, but let's just take, doing a post on Facebook or LinkedIn or on Instagram, if you're on Instagram, that organic marketing that you're doing right now can only go so far because those posts last for 24 hours, maybe 48 hours, and then it generally dies out in terms of exposure for that post being seen. With a YouTube video, it's different. Your video lives a lot longer in the search. In fact, we still get comments and people viewing our videos from years before 2016. And so your efforts into putting that video out, into releasing that video, is going a lot farther because it's going to last longer and it's going to market and promote your business for a lot longer in the search. So this is one of the ways in which it gives you a ton of leverage. Your content has a longer shelf life on not just YouTube, but also since Google owns YouTube, your videos can be found in the Google search results. So imagine what kind of exposure that would be for your business to show up in Google. And it's not something hard to do. We've managed to rank our videos over and over again on the first page of YouTube as well as Google using a very specific method, which if you're interested, I'll link to that in the description below. Another way that your channel will give you leverage is your location, of course. So because your content lives a lot longer, your videos are out there marketing your business, bringing you new eyes to your content, you're able to reach a wider set of people. And this just expands your market to be much bigger than it was before because you're now able to reach a lot more people 24/7 with your videos. It's almost like having a marketing and sales team working for you. Each video is like its own marketing and sales person for your business, working out there to bring you new leads. And they're not bound by geographic location, they're not bound by time. Whereas you have so many hours and a limited number of resources to market your business on your own. You will also have leverage over your competitors with having a YouTube channel because so many people, and maybe you can relate to, feel weird about putting themselves on video. But if you can get past that, and we've helped so many people get past that, then you're really able to have a leg up on your competitors, the other coaches in your space that are coaching on topics similar as you, but most of them only have a Facebook, maybe a LinkedIn, and maybe an Instagram. YouTube is actually the platform that a lot of people are not on because of the fact that you need to put yourself out on video. This is a huge advantage because just by you essentially being yourself and teaching through video, sharing your expertise, your channel becomes a living, breathing portfolio of your work and how you can help people. So think about this, because when you have, let's say, two coaches in the same space, let's just say nutrition coaching, one of them has a YouTube channel where people can actually see you and get to know you and learn from you. The other nutrition coach does not, and you just basically have to figure out whether or not they're a good coach from a landing page on their website. It's going to be much easier to sell and get more clients with the videos because people start to feel like they know you, and they're also getting a taste of what it's like to actually work one-on-one with you. And this ties into the last point here, is that the main way that your channel gives you leverage is because your channel is an experiential extension of you. Every single video you put out there is working for you in the search engines to bring new eyes to your content, bring people back to your website or a landing page where they can book a free consult with you and actually become a client. And like I said, this happens so many times for our business and for our clients as well. I'll tell you a story about one of our clients, Tiffany and Corey. They help people get into real estate investing, but they do it in a very specific way. They'll help people invest in real estate, but not with their own money, just through joint venturing and finding other partners. They have a high-ticket coaching program that costs $10,000 to attend, and we've helped them set up their channel and release content on their channel. And one of their videos led to that $10,000 sale for their coaching program. At least one of them. I'm not sure of others, but I remember when that first sale came in from one of their videos, she was super excited. And normally you might think like, wow, a $10,000 sale is quite a high ticket to just make that sale off of an online piece of content, right? But it's because that person who bought into their coaching program already got a taste of them, already got a taste of the value that they provide in their videos. And so that relationship is being built, and every single video that you release on the channel will be out there connecting with people and building relationships. And that's exactly what business is all about. Successful business growth is all about building those relationships and establishing trust. These slides were taken out from a free training that we offer on our site that shares with you our method, how we simply share our expertise on YouTube, and that has allowed us to earn over $10,000 a month in our business and scale our business. So if you're interested in learning more about how to do this, how does it work? What do I need to do to create a YouTube channel that consistently brings me new leads, new clients into my business, and also at the same time expands your impact, right? It'll help more people. Then click on the link in the description below, and you can opt in for that free training, which you'll get instant access to right away. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.